Hi, this is Kay. I made some yummy biscuits and they were delicious. I used butter, I used oil, sugar, baking powder, butter, and eggs and flour. I put butter in the whatever it is, and I put sugar, and I put oil, and I mixed it, and I put 2 cups of oil, and I mixed it very good. I put baking powder and I mixed it, like hajmiye. I made the dough, and then I mixed it like this, like that. And then I made balls with dough, like balls, and then I flattened them a little bit so it can be good. And I did little treats of donuts with loose, and I made these moons, this dough as well. And me and my sister and my mom made it perfect. And then I made a shape of a dough with a finger. And then me and my sister made these with whatever. And I made these super treats, and they were delicious because they were for Eid. Now Eid is finished. I decorate the biscuit with coconut and chocolate. They were super good. And I made fingers, little cute fingers with dough. And I made these little tiny biscuit donuts for Eid. And I made it with dough. I made all of these biscuits with my mom and sister. I did the finger biscuits with marmalade, coconut, and chocolate. They were super good. And I made these donuts with loose. I will leave the ingredients in description. Bye! Subscribe to my channel. Big thumbs up. Bye!